The Organization of Animal Research at Stanford University say that they support animal testings. They say that they must be taken seriously the responsibility for the ethical treatment of animals in medical research. At Stanford University, they emphasize that human care of a laboratory animal is essentially both ethic and scientifically, so animals might be treated well. They say that poor animals care is not good for science. If animals are not well treated, then the science and knowledge they produce is not trustworthy and cannot be replicated. The reasons that Stanford University gave about why they use animals for medical or biomedical research is that animals are biologically very similar to humans. In fact, they share about the 98% of DNA with us. Also, animals are susceptible to the many of the same healthy problems as humans, such as cancer, diabetes, health diseases, etc. Also, animals have a shorter life cycle than humans, so animals' model can be studied throughout their whole lifespan and across several generations. A critical element is understanding how a disease proceeds and how it interacts with a whole living biological system, and that's so important. Talking about ethics, they say that ethics of animal experimentations is such important, but until nowadays, there has not been discovered any substitute for the complex functions of testing animals. So until such discovery, animals must be continued to play a critical role in helping researchers test potential new drugs and medical treatments for effectiveness and safety, and in identifying and understanding our dangerous side effects such as infertility, birth defects, liver damage, toxicity, or cancer causing potential. It could be a very big problem if we test directly in humans. If you ask me if I agree or disagree with this organization, well, I will say I agree with the organization point of view because I think that making animal research is indispensable for developing new products, especially in medicine and pharmaceutical industry. I think medicine and pharmaceutical development might be improved with animal research, and that is because animals have a very similar DNA as the organization mentioned before. However, I think animal research must be followed by an ethical code, then animals' life may be preserved. Also, I think that animals' lives have to be preserved, especially endangered animals, and for that reason, animal research is forbidden for endangered species. That's why clinical trials must be developed in common animals as rats, pigs, monkeys, fishes, mouses, or rabbits.